Welcome to another video on tech tricks. After the last video that I posted about playing with multiple accounts, on Dofus Mono servers, using RDP and Tuxler Premium VPN, I did a lot of research on an easier way to do it, and without paying anything, and finally I found one. In this video, we are going to see how. Welcome back. In this method, we are going to need two things. One, we will need a local virtual machine or RDP. Local virtual machine is similar to RDP, but it's installed on your own computer instead of another server. If you don't have a virtual machine installed in your PC, or you don't know how to do it, please check my previous video. This method works on both RDP and virtual machine. 2. And as always, we will need a residential VPN, but this time I found a free open source residential VPN, called Softether. So let's getting started. First, start your virtual machine or RDP. Once the virtual machine is ready, we need to install a tool to share files between our PC and the virtual machine. Go to Devices, then click on Insert Guest Edition CD. Then go to CD. And install these two files, and reboot the system. Just like I explained in the previous video. Once you have done that, go to Devices again, then drag and drop, and activate bidirectional. Now make sure you have a zip file of the game in your desktop. Drag and drop the file to the virtual machine to transfer it. If you are using RDP, then you need to download the game directly from the RDP. Now let's get our VPN. Go to Softether download page, you will find the link in the description. Then download Softether VPN client, plus VPN Gate client. Drag and drop the VPN file to the virtual machine. Now we need to get one last file. It's a Windows 7 update. If you don't install it, the VPN won't work on Windows 7. If you are using Windows 10, then you don't need to install this update. First install the update, then reboot the system. Now extract the VPN installation files. We need now to install the VPN at the same folder where it was extracted. So copy the folder path first, then run the installation. In this step, select Specify the directory, then paste in the copied path. Once finished, run the VPN. Then double-click on VPN Gate Public VPN. Click OK, and choose any server you like. Double-click on that server, then click Connect. Now everything is ready, let's try if it works. As you can see, it's working. If you need to open more accounts, just create another virtual machine, and install the VPN on it. Or use multiple RDP. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.